He's ready when you are.
All right, so this is the machine. These are the electronics right here. You want to get a shot of that. This is the brain. Okay, that's it. You see the size of my hand. You see the size of the circuitry. These are the two drivers for the bigger motors, two drivers for the smaller motors, and your power supply. This right here is your variac. This controls the temperature on the wire. I will have something a little more modern than this archaic. I think it was built in the 40s. Still works. That's why I like it. And here's my pattern now. This software is a Gerbil software. Free. You can download it. It's called Candle. And it basically is a G-code sending software, pretty basic. And this is the machine, X motor over here, Y motor, and you can see I can manually control it. And what I'm going to do is come back here. Software. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the foam or the wire slightly to the point of origin. Go to the foam over there for a second, and you're going to just place it right so it can start making the cut. I'm going to turn up this variac and control the temperature now. Variac is on. Temperature is going up. Now it should start cutting into the foam slightly as I nudge it in. Okay, so it's ready. Back here. I'm going to zero it out so it can start from 0. And I'm going to press send. And now go over there. The key to this machine is getting the temperature and the cut speed at the appropriate rate. And it looks like it might be running just a slight bit hot. Adjust the temperature on it. Up back at the 0 point. It's the first time cutting on this length of wire, so my temperature may not be exact. Okay, job's done. Let's see. Pretty good cut. Pieces.
Very cool. That's the coolest thing I've seen all day.
You can see it's so you can cut anything I program. And there you have it, the FM 2700 right here. It's gonna have a light in there too. Yes, I'm all about the finesse and the drama. It also does have, let me show you this real quick. I thought of this prior. I've got cooling fans for each motor. So those motors are cooled, and you can see right here. So oh, it's nice, but it's hot. Okay, and then this one too. They got vents in there, really nicely done, I thought. This is also expandable, where you have these clips right here, and these two units, this arm and this arm, expand out for the length of cut. Let's say I want to cut that foam block at 10 feet. This will extend out to 10 feet and cut that length in between the two, as long as I have that adjusted. This is a standard block size on the wide side, so in this particular case it's meant to cut this giant block. So I'm ready to cut anything right now. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the FM 2700.
Quite an accomplishment. That's cool.
Yeah, not bad for a white boy.
You're not white, you're Jewish.
I'm brown. I'm honey brown from the Middle East.